In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a payment against an unpaid invoice. If you've already sent an invoice and the customer has now paid, the next step is to mark that invoice correctly in your system. This is important because it keeps your records accurate, updates the invoice status, and makes sure the payment is linked to the right bank account for reconciliation later on. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without missing anything. To begin, go to the business menu and then select invoices. This will take you to your invoice list where you can view all invoices that have been created. From here, find the invoice that is still marked as unpaid and open it. Make sure you're selecting the correct invoice before moving on, especially if there are multiple invoices for the same customer or for similar amounts. Once the invoice is open, scroll down until you see the Receive a Payment section. This is the area where you'll enter the details of the payment that has come in. The purpose of this section is to connect the money received directly to the invoice rather than leaving the invoice outstanding. Now fill in the payment details carefully. In the amount paid field, enter the amount that the customer actually paid. This should match the payment you received, then enter the date received. It's a good idea to use the real payment date so your reporting stays accurate and your bank reconciliation is easier later. After that, choose the correct paid to bank account. This should be the account where the money was deposited or received, so the transaction appears in the right place in your records. Before saving, take a moment to quickly review everything you entered. Check that the amount is correct, the date matches the actual receipt of funds, and the bank account is the right one. Small errors here can cause confusion later, so this quick review can save time. When everything looks good, click Add Payment. Once you do that, the payment will be recorded against the invoice, and the invoice should update accordingly to reflect that payment. This helps ensure your accounts receivable balance stays current, and that the invoice is no longer showing as unpaid if the full amount has been received. And that's it. That's how to record a payment against an unpaid invoice quickly and accurately.